Today I wanted to talk about Mukesh Ambani. Mukesh Ambani has raised a lot of money by selling minority stakes in his retail and telecom empire. We were wondering where he will spend that money. So now the cat is out of the bag. He has made several acquisitions in Europe, and we need to look at why he has done it and what is the logic. Welcome back to Be Rich. Yesterday, news came that Reliance's Ambani, Mukesh, that is, has made a big buy. He's bought an iconic five-star property in England. The property is called as Stoke Park. Till 1908, Stoke Park used to be a private residence, but today it is one of the biggest luxury resorts in the UK. It is very popular. It has 49 luxury rooms and some apartments. It has 13 courts and a full-fledged golf course. There are a lot of tennis tournaments and golf which is arranged there. This park is iconic because two of James Bond movies have been shot there. In the golf course which I just described, James Bond and the villain Goldfinger play a round of golf here. This movie went on to become a cult hit. Another movie of James Bond was also shot here. It is not only James Bond movies that have been shot there. There have been several other iconic English movies which have been shot there. This acquisition has been done by Reliance in its hospitality division. If one remembers, several years ago, when Oberoi Group was in trouble, Mukesh Ambani and his wife Nita Ambani bought a huge stake of East India hotels, equivalent to the promoters, to make sure that the company would not fall into the hands of ITC or any other predator. Oberoi then talked about the strong family relationships that the Oberois and the Ambanis held together. There were also rumors that Leela, which went into the hands of ARC, would be rescued by Mukesh Ambani, though it did not happen. So it is very clear that Mukesh Ambani was always looking to invest in the hospitality sector. But apart from that, Mukesh Ambani has spent $3.3 billion in acquisitions ever since he sold his stock. Most of these acquisitions have been in hospitality, telecom, and other content creation sectors. This he has done so that he will be able to set up telecom, content creation, and retail as another pillar to support the oil and refining business. Before doing this, Stoke Park, he had the franchisee for Hamleys toy stores in India. Worldwide could not recover and needed cash infusion. It was Mukesh Ambani who stepped in and bought Hamleys and has invested millions of dollars in Hamleys, allowing it to expand the number of stores both in UK, Europe, South Africa, and India. The idea is to build the consumer services business of Reliance as the third pillar, along with data and oil. This buy is a step in that direction. But along with that, Reliance also has been investing heavily in sport franchisees. It owns the Mumbai Indians, but also owns a soccer league in India, which it set up in a joint venture with International Management Group of Backmark. Reports say last year he bought out the shareholding of IMG at a hefty premium and has become the complete owner of IMG. It is clear that Mukesh Ambani wants to invest both in soccer, cricket, and other sporting activities, along with hospitality, telecom, and content creation to build his consumer service business. Mumbai Indians has become one of the largest and best performing franchisees in IPL, primarily thanks to the deep pockets of Mukesh Ambani. It's not only Mukesh Ambani who's making big investments in London real estate. Adar Poonawalla of Serum Institute, who is now very popular in the news for this Covishield vaccine has rented a big property in Mayfield. He is paying $69,300 a week for that property, a record even in an exclusive neighborhood of London, Bloomberg reports last week. It is now very clear that the wealthy people in India had a K-shaped recovery, and the kind of money they have made of stock markets and lower taxes has led to a lot of disposable income. Adar Poonawalla has not only rented a big property in London, he has used the excess money he has made during this time to acquire a finance company called Magna Finance Corp, and also has bought an insurance aggregator, Policy Bazaar. Adar Poonawalla, like Mukesh Ambani, is trying his best to buy assets very cheap. So, as I've been pointing out, there are two sets of people in this world. One, the rich and famous, who seem to be getting more and more rich, poor and the middle class, who seem to have paid a heavy price. Unless the balance between the two is restored and the balance between money earned through capital investment and money earned through labor is reset, this is set for dangerous times. Thank you for watching. Be rich. It's a great privilege and honor that so many of you in thousands have subscribed to my channel and have supported me. I have written 2 books in English, The Alchemy of Money and Ordinary Stocks, Extraordinary Profits. These books are published by us and are ready. If you want to procure a copy, send us a message to the WhatsApp number given below and my team would respond to you. If you want an Amazon Kindle copy, you can click the link below. Finally, those who wish to consult with me can send a mail to berichenglish@gmail.com. Once again, I thank you for your support. If you like this video, press the subscribe button of my channel, hit the like button and turn on the bell notification.